Hello, my name is Bob. I'm from Eileen and Bob Sharing, and I'm going to do this video on, I'm a diabetic and I don't take insulin and I don't take no other medications due to some complications that I've had being diagnosed with stage 3 fibrosis of the liver. This I got from having hepatitis C for over 30 years. I got when I was in the Army. And now that they came up with the cure, and I'm cured of it, but it's already done its damage on my liver. And as long as I don't drink alcohol, which I don't, and try to live a somewhat clean life as far as eating, I can keep it controlled. Because the alternative, if I don't, is cirrhosis of the liver, which is a death warrant, obviously. I think they give you 5 months to maybe 2 years if you have it, because there is no cure. So, but I don't worry about that, you know, life goes on. But what I want to show you today is something that I've actually found on the internet, and I just took my glucose reading, and it was quite high at 360, and I brought it down to 270 in a matter of 2 hours. And what I found that helps to bring it down that quick is a concoction that I made of lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon. And it's not great tasting, but it does the trick. And I just take maybe 2 tablespoons of it. I take it, now I'm going to start taking it in the morning and afternoon and evening, and see how low I can bring my sugar down. So without further ado, I'd like to show you how I'm going to do this. Bear with me, I'm not a cameraman. I take the apple cider vinegar and I put in 3/4 of a cup. This will be my jar for the week. Now I take the lemon juice, and also 3/4 of a cup. And the ground cinnamon, I put in 1 heaping teaspoon. It doesn't smell quite, actually it has a nice little smell to it. Now the cinnamon doesn't dissolve like sugar, obviously, but it's one of the ways that I myself can drink it, because I'm only talking tablespoons, so I'm not drinking the whole thing, obviously. And that will reduce your sugar within 1 to 2 hours if you drink this. So if you have a high glucose count, if you're up in the high 300s, pushing 400, you have a tendency to want to panic. Don't panic, because stress is one of the, also a big added factor to diabetes. So don't stress. If you make this and drink it, like I said, you know, 2 tablespoons if you're really high at first, and just wait an hour, maybe wait 2 hours, then check your blood again and see what the results are. That's all I can tell you. It works for me. I don't know if it'll work for everybody, but it works for me.